Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm trying the Banana Bread Fondue Boat by Tasty. I will leave their links and all the ingredients I used down below in the description. You'll want to place 4 bananas into a large bowl and mash them together using a fork. Mash them until there are still a few lumps just to add some texture. So once you've got your bananas mashed, you will then want to add in your vegetable oil. And you will also want to add in your egg. Next you will want to add your vanilla. I'm using a bean extract, but you could also use a paste. And then finally you'll want to add in all of your sugar. You will then want to mix that together using a spatula until it's all well combined and very well incorporated. Next you'll want to add your dry ingredients. All ingredients will be listed along with the baking times and temperatures in the description down below, and just fold your flour in until it's all incorporated and there's no traces, being careful not to overmix. So once you've got your banana bread batter, you'll then want to put that into your prepared loaf tin and then bake it. I will leave all that information in the description down below. To make your fondue, you'll want to put your double cream into a saucepan along with your milk. Make sure you've got it over a medium heat. So then you'll want to add your chocolate to the mixture and mix that just until it's all melted and very smooth. I used a mixture of milk and dark as I completely ran out of dark and didn't realise, and don't worry, it didn't really affect the taste at all. Make sure that you are completely stirring this all the way through from start to end. You'll know when it's ready as it will become one solid colour and very smooth and glossy. Don't forget to add your vanilla to the chocolate and mix that in to combine. So here is my banana bread fresh out of the oven. I will allow this to cool completely before I cut it. So now that the banana bread is cooled, I cut it so I could put the fondue filling in, but you just need to remove enough to support the fondue filling. As you can tell, I left a bit much on the one end, but don't worry. Cut away the middle excess bit, but keep that for later on as you can dip that in the fondue. So now you can pour the chocolate fondue into the centre of your banana bread. Optional, but you can always just smooth the top of the chocolate off using a spatula. So now that you've done the main bit, you'll want to decorate the plate. I'm adding some banana on the one side like Tasty did, and then strawberries each side of the fondue, and then the excess banana bread that was left over. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back next week with a Valentine's Day special, so join me then. Check out my social medias as I do post more on Instagram stories, and I do post on Instagram, so join me there. I'll be back soon. Bye guys.